Hi guys, Sharon Garcia here for another episode of Homeschool Unleashed. So today we are getting out of the home. We are taking it to the gun range. So part of American culture is built on guns and artillery, and so a lot of people might be a little bit timid over guns, scared of them, but the best way of getting around that is to become familiarized with it. So today we are going to be focusing on gun safety. At the range, everything is a very serious place. Guns are always something to be taken seriously. So we are going to be making sure we have our ear safety ears on, our safety glasses on. We're going to be shooting a couple different styles of guns, and then afterwards, we are going to be making sure we clean the guns properly and making sure that they're ready to go for the next time. So when analyzing the proper age of when you want to start introducing your kids to guns and gun safety really depends on the maturity of your child. 13, I would think, is a really good age. Some people like to start them off earlier or later, but that all really comes down to the maturity level of your child and your own confidence as a parent. One thing that you can try to do is reach out to the local gun ranges. Sometimes they have programs available for youth shooters where the students can come down, they can learn about gun safety, they can practice shooting with professionals. By reaching out to different experts in the field, there's a lot of different programs you can utilize that not only goes over gun safety and gun use, but also more tactical education or hunting skills, depending on your moral philosophy over hunting and whatnot. So there's many different options out there that I encourage you to reach out and get creative with your education. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.